Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn conjunctions. Let's begin our lesson. A conjunction is a word used to join words, groups of words, or sentences. Conjunctions are also called joining words. For example, for, and, but, etc. Let's solve. Fill in the blanks using the correct conjunctions. Ratan goes to the park, dash sits by the pond. Ratan goes to the park and sits by the pond. Hyder was good at football, dash he was picked for the state team. Hyder was good at football, so he was picked for the state team. He was very tired, dash he finished the marathon. He was very tired, yet he finished the marathon. It is a sunny day, dash it is cold outside. It is a sunny day, but it is cold outside. Ratan, dash Charan are good friends. Ratan and Charan are good friends. Let's look at some conjunctions and understand what they are used for. And is used to join a group of words that are similar. For example, both my brother and sister dances very well. Neither nor is used to express when none of the two things are true. For example, neither my brother nor my sister has stopped practicing. Often is used to talk about a particular point of time. For example, they often practice until morning. When is used to join two events happening at the same time. For example, they love to dance when it snows. If is used to describe a condition. For example, they dance for us if we request them to do so. Either or is used to talk about one thing or person or event or describes a choice. For example, they either dance at school functions or events. Now, let's fill in the blanks using the correct conjunctions from the box. What would you do, dash your brother lied to you? What would you do if your brother lied to you? I love to come to the party, dash I am invited. I love to come to the party if I am invited. The award ceremony was long, dash boring. The award ceremony was long and boring. Dash choose this sweatshirt, dash that one, both look good. Either choose this sweatshirt or that one, both look good. Ratan kept playing, dash it was 8:30. Ratan kept playing until it was 8:30. Now let's correct the sentences. He is neither smart or hardworking. He is neither smart nor hardworking. Both you or she will have to leave. Both you and her will have to leave. It was morning until we were playing. We were playing until it was morning. Speak either English nor Spanish. Speak either English or Spanish. Nobody slept if I returned. Nobody slept when I returned. Let's join the sentences using conjunctions. Reporters were there. Actors were not there. Reporters were there, but actors were not there. The sun can be seen in the day. The stars can be seen in the night. The sun can be seen in the day and the stars can be seen in the night. Laptops have no battery in them. They have no charger in them. Laptops have neither battery nor charger in them. Ice melts at room temperature. Ice melts when it is at room temperature. Ratan is very happy. Ratan has come first in his class. Ratan is very happy because he has come first in his class. Great job, kids! Today, we learned all about conjunctions. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!